Ladies and gentlemen, I'm the Bricks Gentleman. Today, I would like to present you three small or smaller monster trucks. So, James, pass me the bricks. Okay, sir. So here we have the first one. James, pass me already the second one. Okay, sir. We can have a look at these two at the same time. We're kind of the same in different color variations. So here we have a bright neon green and a very bright yellow and some really strange looking tires. So this is called the Gangster. This one is the Race Ace. This has a bit more normal colors with darker red and dark blue with metal flakes on it. So this one looks kind of normal if you compare it to this one. But both are kind of monster trucks. We can have a look at the third version of that. We have to look at the first one. So James, pass me the last version. Okay, sir. So here we have another gangster. We can see the colors are a bit different and the painting is different. And we have a transparent driver. Very interesting. This one has a different helmet. I think the green is different, but the yellow should be the same. And the tires are completely different. We have transparent tires. And we have a pullback motor. And this one. I almost forgot about that function. We can crash that into. I think this one should go off as well. I'm not sure about that. But we can crash this one in another car and it will destroy itself. A bit like a real car, or it's like a simulation of a real car. So tell me, which version do you like more? And I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have a lovely day and see you soon.